Okay, so let's talk about how long it takes to charge the GoPro Hero 12, but also there are like different models as well where it's very similar. Well, the way that it kind of works is that you have a few options on how you can charge the GoPro, right? You have the ability to pop out the actual battery and use a dedicated third-party like charger device where you just place your battery in there and connect it to a charger, or you can connect it or just keep it inside of the GoPro machine or GoPro device and connect the whole thing to the charger to the USB-C, right? So this is like the different method. But if you just use it like I do, where I just connect the USB-C connector, I just leave it inside of the device and just plug it into wall, well, the charging usually takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. It also depends on the exact charger or the brick I use for the wall, right? Because obviously the better one or with like the more wattage is gonna be it can reduce the time of the charging, so it kind of depends on that. And yeah, but usually in 2 hours I just have it done and it's just ready to be used. Naturally, based on the usage, I can run out of the power rather quickly if I shoot a lot of videos. So it would be a good idea to get a backup battery so you can every time just, once it's empty, you can just take it out and replace it and then charge it later. So that's an option and a possibility as well. But, charging is not that big of a deal when it comes to the GoPro cameras. It's not a huge battery by any means. And yeah, it just usually charges it up pretty quickly. So let me know below in the comments your personal experiences with it, or how often do you charge your own GoPro, or if you just plan on getting one, go ahead and let me know below in the comments. But that's it. That's going to be about it from me right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos in the future.